My name is Varsha, and I'm part of Varsha and Pradeep Architects. We are based in Chennai. When it comes to designing buildings, we like to design all kinds of buildings because that's exciting for us. When it comes to interior spaces, our strength is doing corporate interiors and institutional interiors. And recently, personally, I took up a PhD program with the IIT Madras, and that has changed the way I look at design. And I approach designs much more holistically now. And I feel surprised that how when the approach changes, even the results are different. So when it comes to education, I look at education in two ways because I see a lot of work happening in the higher level education like universities and especially B schools and all. But I look at education at the the middle school level also, and I feel it is equally important there because the same fundamentals apply. If you see a university where the teaching needs to happen in a quiet environment without disturbances, people need to hear every single thing which the professor is telling them, and the same thing applies to schools. And on the other hand, when you look at workspaces in universities and educational institutions, when even a lot of sound awareness is there in those spaces, so that they can work with concentration and produce good research and do good work. And I think more than that, it applies to middle schools. That when it'll even inspire children to look at schools differently, and it will greatly improve the quality of space in school. So I feel that in the education sector, it's schools which need to take it up also on a large scale. A teacher is like delivering a lecture to a class, and the acoustics aren't good, then the person isn't sure how much of it is reaching the audience. And that becomes a bit distracting. Once you don't have to worry about echo, acoustics and reverberations, then you can just focus on your teaching and be sure that your message is getting